Hi and welcome. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me here. So today I'm sharing something fairly new to the Whimsy Stamps called Fresh Fridays. Now, the idea behind Fresh Fridays is that we share our take on different product combinations. I'm going to be using new and old products. Now, I didn't pick the products. A list of about 6 different products was put together by the ladies from Whimsy Stamps, and then I went through my stash and picked out what I have on that list and then let the brainstorming begin. So I love this idea, and I'll talk a little bit more about why in a few minutes, but first I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using. Goth Girl stamp set, straight edger dies, Illusions background stamp, Celebrate word die, and Happy Everything stamp set. Now I had 5 of the 6 products that were on the list. As always, they're going to be listed below for you, and you're also going to be able to find them over on my website in the blog post for this video. Real quick, I want to talk to you about some changes I'm making to my videos. Now, I'm new at video making, so everything is a learning process for me, and I have no one telling me how or what I need to be doing. So bear with me on this. But I was thinking that if I'm just stamping images to be colored, that I probably don't have to show that. That as long as I give you guys the information on the ink I'm using and the paper I'm using, that the stamping process really doesn't need to be seen unless I'm doing a stamping technique. And then for sure, I'll be sharing that. But from now on, you're going to start seeing the name of the paper and the ink I'm using on the screen if I'm just stamping images to color. So if you have any questions, please always feel free to reach out to me and I will get back to you as quickly as possible. Now, I did stamp the images and I ran them through my scan and cut. I'm swatching colors over there to the right. Only so when it comes time for me to do the voiceover and blog post for this video, I'm not trying to give myself a headache remembering what I used. It's just all about streamlining the whole process for me, really. So ARTEZA Real Brush pens to color this image, I went in with Cantaloupe. It was a little bit peachy, so I added some of the ginger color to it to tone it down some. And then Pale Peach kind of blended those colors out. And then my watercolor brush helped to pull all that color out and give me kind of a dark area and a light area. I'm new to these Real Brush pens. I haven't used them very much, so terminology and experience are not my thing yet. Bear with me, we'll get there. Okay, I want to tell you why I love Fresh Fridays so much while I'm sitting here coloring. Now, I love the idea. It's such a challenge. I mean, it really was a challenge for me to do this card, pulling those products out, looking at them and thinking, how am I going to use all these products together? It really did get the creativity going. It was a lot of fun. You should give it a try sometime. Just go pick 3 or 4 products, sit down at your desk, and just let your mind start working. Don't give up on it, though. Definitely don't give up on it. It took me a while to come up with this idea. You're only seeing bits and pieces of the process in this video. Okay, that's why I love it. It was a challenge and it got the creativity going. For the whole project, I wanted to stick with blacks, grays, and purples because I felt like they were kind of goth colors. I don't know anything about goth, so I could be totally off the mark with that. But that's why I used the colors that I used. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and stamp my background using VersaFine Clair Nocturne ink, and I stamped it straight onto a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base. Now, I did die cut the word celebrate out of white cardstock, and I did that 3 times. And my thought process was illusion. I'm using this sentiment. How did we get this old? So, what if I could make this word disappear into my background? And when you first look at it, you don't see it, but then when you go back and look at it again, you would see it. So as you can see, you can't see it. Problem was, it worked too well. So what I end up changing my mind on this process just a little bit later in the video. You'll see what we end up doing. In the meantime, I went ahead and ran a piece of white cardstock through my die cut machine with one of the straight edge dies. And I'm just using Gina K Connect glue to go ahead and adhere that to the bottom of the card. I decided the placement of the image. I'm going to stamp the sentiment using VersaFine Onyx black ink to the right of where the image is going to be. Then using square and round foam adhesives, I'm going to adhere her to the card along with two of the cats. And then this is when I decided to change up things with the word. I stacked all those words together using Gina K Connect glue. And then I also went ahead and die cut the shadow for it out of gray cardstock. And then I adhered all of it together using my glue. Now I'm just trying to make sure I want to use that word life, and I decided to go with it. I stamped it with the VersaFine Onyx black ink onto white cardstock, trimming it down with my paper trimmer and my scissors, and then a piece of square mounting foam to the back, and go ahead and adhere it to the card. We're going to add some Gina K Connect glue to the back of our gray shadow and our word, and go ahead and add that to the card. A few black enamel dots and we're done. That's just how, and I do go back in and add the last of the cats. I did decide to do that. Don't let me forget that part. But that's it. We're done. But I had such a blast with this. It was so much fun. Okay, so let me know what you think about this cutie in the comments below. Also, let me know what you think about Fresh Fridays. Like I said, I had so much fun with this. I can't wait for the next sign-up sheet to come out. Be sure to head over to Whimsy Stamps blog for more inspiration. If you like this content, please share it with your crafty friends or give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll ring the bell to be notified of new content to the channel. As always, please know how much I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have an amazing day.